This is the third video for Pythagorean Theorem 6-2a lesson. We're going to apply the concept that the sum of the squares built off of the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square that's built off of the hypotenuse. It says to the left, determine the value of the legs and the hypotenuse for each triangle and write the values below the picture. In your notebook, we're also going to verify your side lengths using the Pythagorean theorem. And then the final question is, what is the area of the third square in the given picture? So if this one has an area of 36, because you can also tell it's a 6 by 6, and this one has an area of 1, then that must mean that the area of this one is 1 plus 36, which is 37. So we know that that's 37. And now, to prep ourselves for upcoming lessons, we're going to verify this, as well as actually, I believe it says to write the lengths of the legs. So this leg here would be 1, this leg here would be 6, like we can tell, and the hypotenuse would be root 37. Because to get from the area of a square to its side length, we need to square root it. And so if the side lengths are 1, 6, and root 37, we're going to verify this in Pythagorean theorem. And we need the largest side to be c. So it's going to be 1 squared plus 6 squared equals root 37 squared, which is 1 plus 36 equals square root of 37 squared is 37, and we get 37 equals 37. So it checks out. Look at another one. We'll share that. And the next one says, same idea to the left, determine the value of the legs and the hypotenuse. Verify it using Pythagorean theorem and enter in the area of the third square. Well, this one's kind of a trick question. It looks like we need to add these up, but we're actually missing the smaller one. And we don't even need to really chop this up. I'm not even sure that this is lined up correct. Because the idea is if we know the shortcut, we should probably apply it, which is that this has to be 25 because 25 plus 4 needs to equal 29. Because this is the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. So that would mean that this measures 2, this measures 5, and the hypotenuse measures root 29. And so the area of the third square is 25. And now we'll do our verification. And our verification is that the side lengths are 2, 5, and root 29. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. So 4 plus 25 equals 29. And it does, in fact, equal 29.